Welcome back to another video. Today we have the new 840. This is the DCF840 impact driver with the 6 amp hour battery. I'm gonna go ahead and run both of these with the 6 amp hour battery. This battery on both tools, I just put this one for looks. And this is the XR. You guys know this has been the top of the line impact driver for so many years. This is the DCF887. This is it has 3 speeds, 1 screw-in mode, and 3 speeds. We're gonna be running this same with this battery. This battery is full. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we're going to start with some simple drilling. So, simple drilling on this one. One, two, three, go. Now we have the 840. This is the DCF840. With the 6 amp hour battery, same battery. We're going to do a hole right here. I'm going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Four and a half by half an inch lag. We're gonna go ahead and start with the 840, and this is a 3/4 inch impact socket. All right, we got the XR, 6 amp hour battery, same battery. 1, 2, 3, go. It's in. Okay, we're gonna remove it. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright guys, I got one more. Since you guys want me to try it with different batteries, you guys are probably gonna put down in the comments, hey, why didn't you try a flexible battery, right? So this is a 6 amp hour flexible battery. This is the DCF840. Alright, we got the 887 XR, 887, 3rd speed, Flex Volt 6 amp hour battery. Alright, we're going to do it on this side. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, it's in. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, temperature test. 1083. Handle 86, 90, 93. 102, 91, 119, 120, 125, 134. Alright, so this is the hot as it gets. 134, 114. So this is the part that gets the hottest. Temperature test. 84, 83, 85, 89, 91, 97, 98, 93. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. I personally like both of these tools. This one's been with me for quite a while now. A few years now. We got a wobble there. Have they fixed it? I guess, yeah. We don't have a wobble on this one. I'm really impressed with the size of this guy. This one's really small, really compact. A lot of power for its size. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a variable speed like this one. This one does have a multi-speed selector. This was just a variable speed. That's the only thing I don't like. Everything else, pretty nice, pretty compact, lightweight, really slim compared to this one. This one's a little bit fatter, a little bit longer. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this video? Would you keep any of these tools? Would you buy any of these two tools? Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTubers reply for my subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.